Chapter 4, Lesson 1, Multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. Like we learned in the last chapter, a multiple of a number is the product of that number and any other whole number. Any number that is divisible by 10 is a multiple of 10. You can use multiples and number patterns to multiply when you're looking at tens, hundreds, and thousands. So let's look at example 1. The whale shark is the world's largest fish. Its mouth is 5 feet long, and each foot contains 600 teeth. How many teeth does a whale shark have? So we're going to find 5 times 600. And how we're going to do that is we're going to use some basic facts and patterns. 600 is a multiple of 10. So we're going to figure out that most basic math fact. 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Then we're going to build up from there by using patterns. If 5 times 6 is 30, then 5 times 60 is 300. We added a 0 here, so we added a 0 here. Now, 5 times 600 is going to be 3,000. So we have that 30, and then we had 2 zeros there, and we'll add 2 zeros here. So a whale shark has 3,000 teeth. And we'll notice that the product of 5 and 6 with 2 zeros at the end is what we got here. Let's look at example 2. Find 3 times 7,000. Again, we're going to start with that most basic math fact. We're going to forget all the zeros for right now. 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. So 3 times 70 is 210. 3 times 700 is 2,100. 3 times 7,000 is 21,000. So 3 times 7,000 is 21,000. You can see in both of these examples, we took the very basic math fact, and then however many zeros there were, we added that to the end of our answer. When you know basic math facts and number patterns, you can multiply in your mind. You can multiply mentally. So example 3, the weight of a fire truck is 8 times 4,000 pounds. What is the weight in pounds? So here they're going to have us do an equation. Let W represent the weight. Write an equation. W equals 8 times 4,000. Then we're going to start with our simple math fact. 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Then we're going to start building with our patterns of zeros. 8 times 4 is 32, so 8 times 40 is 320. 8 times 400 is 3,200. 8 times 4,000 is 32,000. So you'll notice that the product of 8 times 4 here, and then it has 3 zeros at the end, since 8 times 4,000 is 32,000. W equals 32,000. And that was 32,000 pounds. Let's do just 2 more examples. Number 1, they've already given us our simple basic math fact. 6 times 8 equals 48. So if we know that, we can fill in the rest. 6 times 80, it's going to be that 48 with 1 0. 6 times 800, 48 with 2 zeros, and they've already done the last one, which was 6 times 8,000, which again was 48 with 3 zeros, or 48,000. Now, the other one that I'm going to do is number 3, because I want to show you how you can do this without doing all the patterns. Here we have 8 times 600. Well, again, the simple basic math fact. 8 times 6. 8 times 6, 48. And then we add the zeros. There were 2 zeros, so my answer will have 2 zeros. 4,800. If you feel like you need more practice, go on to the next page in your math book. Otherwise, go to your homework and show me what you know.